do you feel challenged in the current level that you're in? If you don't feel like, if you feel comfortable and you're like, we're great, that means you're like done in this stage. You need to go up one. Because typically when we hit that comfortable level, we're no longer being challenged. And that's about the time when we're going to plateau in our language development. So it's better if you're like, you know what, I'm doing pretty good. I can hold conversations a little bit with my group. I'm doing this, I'm not having to ask anything. It's time to be brought up one. Now, if you're a beginner, you're like, you know what, I want to go into intermediate. And then from intermediate, you're going to notice a shift. You're going to be a little more challenged. And that's a good thing. You always want to be challenged, not overwhelmingly, but enough to keep you on your toes and to keep you learning. So that would be my answer to that, is if you feel comfortable, it's time to move up. Do you agree?
Yeah. And if you want to get a little more technical, let's see here, what's it called? The Yerkes-Dodson Law. Yerkes-Dodson, Yerkes-Dodson Law.
Thank you.
But basically, that's a really fancy way of saying that if you're not challenging yourself, then you're not going to make progress.
I just said that.
And exactly. And if it's too challenging, so this is the other side of the coin. If it's far too challenging, you feel overwhelmed and you want to quit. So we want to find that spot in the middle. We want to just find enough challenge to where it's going to kind of force us to go up in the next level, but not overwhelmingly so that we just feel so discouraged and just want to quit. That happened to a few students where they like went into an intermediate room, but they were just like learning the alphabet, and they're like, oh my God, this is far beyond me. And they got so discouraged, like they almost quit. So they reached out to me and I said, okay, well, let's try this one more time and I'll put you in with somebody that's more your level. And they had a great experience and found enough challenge. And so that's really what we want to search for, is if we're too comfortable, maybe take it up a notch. If it's too much, back it off a little bit. So just kind of find that appropriate challenge for yourself.